Hey Dion, so for those new to the property market, can you briefly explain what a mortgage broker does and how they differ from, say, a bank broker?
Yeah, for sure. Definitely, I think the key role of a mortgage broker is to act as that conduit between the bank and the client. So we're the independent third party. Um, and we act as the trusted advisor and relationship manager, right, between the client and the banks. We're there to guide the clients through the whole mortgage process. We provide unbiased, personalized advice that is bespoke to the client's individual circumstances. It's a little thing what we call best interest duties. So we've got to abide by that. You know, you can't just refinance for the sake of refinance or do something for the sake of doing. We've got to find an actual reason for that. I think, the key differences between a bank and a broker, also, it's cliched, but we do really work wholly and solely with the client's best interests and for the client as the forefront of everything that we do. We work to secure the best possible mortgage terms for the client within what their requirements and objectives are. We also have access to over 40 to 50 different lenders with different policies and all these different options to actually ensure that, yes, it's the right fit that meet the requirements and objectives for the clients. And we also provide that really personalized and flexible service. And it's not a one-stop shop. We have an array of different ways we can get loans approved and meet more of the client's requirements and objectives.
Excellent. I mean, it obviously just instead of having two or three products that the bank has, you're giving our clients access to dozens of different products, which is excellent.
Yeah, cool. I just don't think it's around the products, Julian. It's actually around policy, because a bank can the banks literally just have the one policy that they have to fit a client into, whereas a broker has multiple different policies. The products are pretty similar across all the different institutions. So really, it's what are you looking to do, and where does it actually work the best and fit the requirements?
Excellent.